Now we're reviewing protection requirements in accordance with 230.208, but instead of using circuit breakers for protection, we're using fuses, and the systems are rated over 1,000 volts. Now let's look at that NEC loop now. We still start with 230.208, but we're going to 240.101A as an apple. We're reviewing the table 450.3A for protecting transformers, and we're looking at 450.3 and look at the informational note. Now, what this is pointing out is that conductor protection, we are referred to Article 240, 240.100 and 240.101. But for services, our protection requirements are in 230.208. And if we're using fuses for protection for transformers or conductors, and the conductors are rated 200 amps, then the step 1 and the boxed in information for sizing the maximum rating of the fuses, it'd be 3 times the conductor ampacity. So a 200 amp conductor times 3, we could size those fuses at 600 amps. Now we can design lower. We're just saying that this is a method to determine your maximum. So we're looking at services in 230.2048, service equipment. We're reviewing transformer protection in 450.3 informational note and table 450.3A. But for conductor protection, we're referred over to Article 240, 240.100, and 240.101. But what we want to point out clearly with this illustration is that you're going to have transformer protection 450, conductor protection 240, and service protection 230.208.